so much it drives me crazy. I just don't wanna leave me. Don't you give me up, please don't give up on me. I belong with you, only you. I think I lost my consciousness in a sixth dimension.
Eu não acabei de te dizer, não. Não bata seu rabo em mim.
Humans be like I waste some money just for you to play in a cardboard box. Okay, and how's that gym membership going? Or the rotting produce in the fridge? That $100 bar sounds like you got...
Are you... At this time, you are sleeping. It's not possible.
Who do you work for? Who do you work for? Tell me.
It's Dave. I'd love to see you, brother. I know it's been a while. I got a couple of surprises.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Pipi und Kaki im Pipi-Kackerland.
Oh, dude, that's so mean. That's mean. Not nice. Ow! This kitten was hit by a car. We found him today. He's covered in tar. His leg is possibly broken. His ear is halfway off, all besides his minor scratches. These are the things that I have for him. Fluids for his dehydration. I am trying to raise money for him. My Venmo is in the link in my bio. He possibly needs his leg amputated, and the x-rays are already going to be a lot of money. So please give this post attention.
All right, get beatbox challenge. Let's go.
It's useless. I tried to know it.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Every cat owner that lets their cat outside needs to get an air tag. It shows you exactly where they are and even pings the device. If they are within 30 feet, it will give arrows to pinpoint them.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears, and when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me. Through the summer and the fall, we had each other, that was all. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be. When she loved me.
I went to the pet store to pick out a new cat. Then this happened.
Oh, he's like, no. He's just doesn't want him to have attention at all.
You cannot jump on the counter. We're black. I don't know about the whole black and white thing, but I just want to give my little comment on this. Give you a little cat drip 101. If you are spraying your cats with water while they're on the sink, the bathroom, or anything like that, you best believe once you leave, oh, they back on there. They back on there. And if you're wondering if this hat really hurts DJ Ravioli, oh, it's too tight on his head. Nah, homie, it comes right off. Keep it kitty litty cat fam. We love you. Bye.
Oh no, it's raining. This one right here just got babies. Oh my goodness. She trusts me enough to show me where she found them. Let's see if I can get them in. Come here. Come here. I know. It's okay. I know. Oh, it's ready. Oh, they're soaking wet. Yeah? Yeah.
What did I say, huh? What did I say? I told you no touchy. Now you suffer the bite of the lion.
Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever, we're meant.
I used to think that only the people in my life found me annoying. But that was before I discovered owning cats. With owning cats, you get to literally be the reason why this creature is alive and still have them resent you. Plus, with owning cats, you're finally able to have a combination sandbox and toilet in your house. And with owning cats, you don't need to worry about taking care of your houseplants anymore, because your cats will eat them and then conveniently vomit them onto your carpet. Try cats today, because it's hard to feel lonely when someone's watching you poo.
Proof that cats are government spies. The white hair is her deactivate button. Her minion trying to stop me.
Hi.
Bye, sweetie. You have a nice day. Oh, I hope you have the best day ever. Come here, let me give you some lovins. Oh, you're so pretty. You're gonna have a great day. I hope you dream, and I hope you chew on your bones. I hope you have a good day. Bye.
Oh. Here comes the whore. Hello, whore. Welcome. Oh, this is my fucking food, whore. Get away from me.
Is it time for bed? Yeah. Yeah.
Your boring fart or something. How about this? Oh my god! He turned into a little ball!
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Keep you on my mente, siempre en mi vida. I'm a gangster's wife, doing anybody killer.
Hungry? You want a snacky? You want a snacky? Come on, let's go get snackies. Let's go.
21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl.
Who are you? Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
Human action that cats will only tolerate from their favorite human. Touching their nose. A cat's nose is very sensitive, and most cats don't like their nose being touched. In the world of cats, nose touching is a very intimate gesture. It is a step above bunting. A nose poke also leaves the cat very vulnerable, as we must be very close to their face to do it. Therefore, it is offered sparingly and only to the best of friends. So if your cat allows you to touch their nose, it means they fully trust you and see you as a very close companion.